I've been called a germaphobe, but I do find a single sneeze acceptable. It could be caused by dust, allergies, or really whatever nasal irritant floats your boat. However, during flu season, a second sneeze means a plague is upon the land, and is every man for himself.
Where do you think you're going?
Away from you.
Why's that?
I want to live.
I'm not sick. Get back in your seat.
No, thank you.
You know the rules. You can't leave without a hall pass.
May I have a hall pass?
No, you may not. Now get back in your seat.
Rules are the pillars of society. I love rules, but what benefit are rules to a dead man?